Looking to boost your PC's speed and responsiveness? The G.Skill Trident Z RGB 32GB DDR4-3600 RAM kit promises just that, delivering smooth, high-performance memory tailored for serious gamers and power users. Whether you're upgrading an AMD Ryzen 3000 or Intel Z390 system, this kit is designed to hit those fast speeds right out of the box. I recently upgraded my rig with this exact 32GB kit, two 16GB modules running at DDR4-3600 with CAS Latency CL18 at 135 volts, and the difference was immediate. Installation was straightforward, just slot them in, enable the XMP2.0 profile in BIOS, and you're set. No fuss, no compatibility headaches. My system jumped straight to the rated 3600 MHz, and the stability has been rock solid ever since. Plus, the vibrant RGB lighting adds a sleek touch to my setup. What really stands out is how well this memory performs under pressure. I've been running demanding games like Battlefield 2042 for weeks with zero issues. The dual-channel 32GB capacity provides plenty of headroom for multitasking and gaming, making slowdowns a thing of the past. And for those considering an even bigger upgrade, adding another kit to reach 64GB is seamless, perfect for content creators or anyone pushing their system hard. The Trident Z RGB is also compatible with a wide range of motherboards, including AMD X570 and Intel Z390 and newer platforms. G.Skill's QVL and RAM configurator tools help you confirm compatibility before purchase, so you know exactly what you're getting. This makes it a reliable choice whether you're building a new PC or upgrading an existing one. If you want high-performance memory that's easy to install, stable at overclocked speeds, and looks great inside your case, this kit is worth a look. It's a smart investment that delivers real improvements in speed and responsiveness without breaking the bank, especially with deals bringing 32GB kits to around $100. If that's you, upgrading with G.Skill's Trident Z RGB DDR4-3600 could be the boost your system needs. Ready to level up your PC's memory? Try the G.Skill Trident Z RGB 32GB DDR4-3600 kit when you're ready and experience smoother gameplay, faster load times, and reliable performance. It's a straightforward upgrade that makes a noticeable difference, no gimmicks, just solid results.